Welcome back, my friend. Tell me, have you ever felt drowned in the noise of life? The buzzing phone, endless chatter, constant judgments, all of it pressing in until you can hardly hear your own thoughts. The Stoics believed that in a noisy, chaotic world, silence is not weakness, it is refuge, and it is power. Today, let's walk together on the path of rebuilding yourself in silence. Before we begin, if you care about living with more calm and strength through Stoic wisdom, go ahead and like this video and subscribe. That simple action helps spread this message of peace to many more people. Part 1. The strength of silence. In a loud world, silence is an act of courage. It's not just about keeping quiet. It's about refusing to let the outside world rule your inner world. Think of Marcus Aurelius, the Roman emperor buried under wars, politics, flattery, and criticism. Where did he find peace? In the silence of his private journals. For him, silence was a way to return to himself. When you choose silence, you stop reacting, stop rushing to defend or explain. You pause, you breathe, you listen inwardly. Marcus once wrote, "You have power over your mind, not outside events. Realize this, and you will find strength." If these reflections already resonate with you, hit like and subscribe so you don't miss the next lesson. Part 2. Healing and renewal in silence. Silence is also where healing happens. We all carry wounds, loss, betrayal, disappointment. Often we try to drown them out with noise, constant conversation, endless work, loud distractions. But when you dare to sit quietly, you face the truth. You let yourself grieve, you allow forgiveness, and slowly, you begin again. Seneca said, "Difficulties strengthen the mind, as labor does the body." Silence is the training ground where pain is transformed into wisdom. I once knew a man in his 60s who lost his wife. Every morning he would sit quietly in the park, writing a few lines in his notebook. A year later he told me, "I still miss her, but now I can smile when I think of her." Silence gave him the space to turn grief into peace. In stillness, the deepest questions finally rise. Am I living true to my values? Am I just, kind, and courageous? You don't hear these questions in the noise of the crowd. They speak only in silence. If you've ever found healing in silence, share your story in the comments. Someone out there may draw strength from your experience. Part 3. Peace and action in silence. The Stoics never saw silence as escape, but as preparation for action. Epictetus reminded us, if you want to improve, be content to be thought foolish and stupid. He meant, don't live for applause, live for your values. Silence makes you a better listener. You speak less, but when you do, your words carry weight. People feel calmer around you. Your presence becomes a gift. And in time, you arrive at what the Stoics called ataraxia, an unshakable peace. Start simple. Each morning, spend a few minutes in silence. Ask, what truly matters today? Each evening, reflect. Did I live by my values? Did I treat others with kindness? These small practices build a strong and steady character. Marcus Aurelius once wrote, "The obstacle in the path becomes the path." The world may never quiet down, but the silence you cultivate inside will carry you through every storm. If you want to keep learning how to live with strength and calm through Stoic wisdom, hit like and subscribe. And let me know, when was the last time silence gave you strength? Rebuilding yourself in silence is not a quick fix. It's more like planting a seed and patiently tending it. Every moment of stillness you give yourself is a step toward freedom within. If today's message brought you peace, don't forget to like this video and subscribe. And share your thoughts below, because your story might be exactly what someone else needs to hear. Take care, and I'll see you in the next video.